What's in there, Robbie?
Good boy.
Is it a book?
Good boy. Flip it over. Turn the book over. Grab the book. Just grab the book out now. Can you pick up the book? Good. Pick up the book now.
Happy birthday!
Good boy. There you go. Okay, well, hang on. What's this? What is this?
A book, yeah. He just wants to open another present. Okay. Good job.
You are your mama's son.
Yeah? You need help?
You need help?
Clock? Oh, no. Okay.